What man telling me is about Escape back on the YouTube thing. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make tea at home. But not any other tea, but SK way too much. Let's get into the video. Woo! So step 1. Put 2 tea bags into the hot water and wait for 3 minutes. Step 2. After waiting for 3 minutes, add 2 teaspoons of sugar. And most especially guys, make sure you put the sugar into the tea. Oh my god! Inside. And step 3, make sure you add your milk. Stir proportionally. Hey. And ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you our tea. I'm gonna hold the phone like this so you can see. It's so good, man. It's great. Like the video, share with family and friends. I'm on the way to 1,000 subscribers, so like, subscribe. Thank you very much. I will not get done. Let me do that again.